Hey dancers, today's video we are doing the Chasse Armstyling. We start with our weight on the left foot, left arm extended, right elbow, just tuck that into the side of your body, palm facing up. And rocking back, switch your arms, and switch it again. Side chasse, every step. We're gonna switch the arms and rock forward, replace, switch the arms. Notice how I take my arm into fully straight, and then I bend the elbows, and into left arm fully straight, right arm fully straight. Keep alternating them every time you step. Cha, cha, cha. Strike them hard. 3, 4, and 1. Energy through the arms. 3, and the fingers. 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. A little faster. Go. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Faster. 2, 3. Good job. Musica. Hit it.
Now I've got a confession. When I was young, I wanted attention. I promised myself that I'd do anything. Everything and I've done them to notice me. But I ain't complaining. We don't wanna be famous. So go ahead and say what you wanna say.
Practicing with me. My name is LiWen from DanceInsanity, and subscribe if you like this video. Leave me a comment below and I will respond to you. Maybe not like this, but just kind of like this, or like this. I will see you in the next video.